my channel and happy Vlogmas! Yes guys, today is the 1st of December. So for the entire December, I will be doing Vlogmas. So therefore, every day I will be uploading a video for you guys. Alright, so I want you guys to make sure that you subscribe, click the notification bell, so every time I upload a video every day, you guys will be the first to get a notification and tune into my video. Alright, so I hope you guys are gonna enjoy my Vlogmas. This is my first Vlogmas I'm doing. Alright, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my delicious Cripsy fried chicken. So I hope you guys are gonna watch my video, give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious Cripsy fried chicken. Alright, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and on TikTok at Cookingwithafton. Alright, all my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Alright, and you guys can go and check out some of my playlists as well. I will leave those links in the description box down below. Okay guys, so don't forget, every day in December I will be uploading a video for you guys. I can't give you a specific time as yet, but just keep your notification on, so when you get uploaded video, you guys will be notified. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Cripsy fried chicken. And oh guys, I want to ask you guys, can you please watch my ads in my video? Thank you, I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Enjoy. Hey guys, these are my ingredients for my spicy Cripsy fried chicken. So I have some coconut oil, I have my chicken thigh, leg and thigh, I have chicken cube, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, hot sauce, green season, mustard, hot sauce, mustard, and garlic sauce. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour some coconut oil on my chicken leg and thigh. Then I'm going to put my chicken cube. So now I'm going to put my black pepper, paprika, and chili powder. And now I'm going to put my onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, and chicken seasoning. And now I'm going to put my green season, mustard, hot sauce, and garlic sauce, and hot sauce. And then I'm going to take my clean hands and I'm going to mix all this season into the chicken. Mix, mix, mix. So now I'm going to get So now I'm going to put some more pepper. Yes, because I want it to be spicy. Yes, I'm going to rub the pepper all over all of the chicken. So now I'm going to get a Ziploc bag and put the chicken into the Ziploc bag. And then I'm going to leave it in the fridge overnight to marinate. So it's the next day now, so I'm going to open my Ziploc bag and pour out my chicken. So over here now I have some flour. So I'm going to season my flour with some black pepper, salt, and some chili powder. Mix, mix, mix. So now I'm going to take my chicken, put it into the flour. I'm using the chicken legs. Make sure you coat it in the flour good. And now I'm going to put it into some water. I know, it sounds weird. You guys think that the seasons are going to come off in the water? No. The seasons are going to stay right on top of the chicken. So I'm taking the chicken now out of the water and put it back into the flour and coat it back again with some flour. Rub the flour all over it. And then I'm going to put it into the plate and let it rest for a few minutes. I'm going to repeat the process again with my chicken thighs. Then I'm going to put the thighs now into the water one at a time for like a few seconds. And then I'm gonna mix it back again, coat it with the flour. And then let's head over to the stove to fry our chicken. So now I'm gonna put in my chicken leg. I don't know why I use a small pot, guys. And this is my chicken thigh. So you're gonna let this fry for a couple minutes. I don't know why I use a small pot, guys. I don't know why. I guess I wanted it to deep fry. Yeah, and that's all the oil that I had at the time in the house. So my chicken has been frying for about 5 minutes now. So I'm just gonna lift it up and let you guys see how it's looking. Look at those chicken, guys. It looks really good. Really good. Now let it fry for a couple more minutes again. So I'm going to turn it over now. Let it fry a little bit more. So now it's time to take out the chicken, guys. Take it out and then put it into a paper towel and let it drain out the oil. That's our chicken leg there, guys. Now I'm going to take out my chicken thigh. So now we're going to put in another piece of chicken thigh. I'm going to put in 2 pieces of the chicken thigh. I'll let it fry for a couple more minutes again. So it's all done here. So I'm going to take out my chicken thighs. Guys, while I'm filming this video, I got blackout. So the ring light was off. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget, I will be uploading a video for you guys every day in December. Alright? So look out for another video tomorrow. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe, click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, guys? Thank you guys so much for your support. So see you tomorrow.